In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, it's easy to get lost in the virtual world and forget about the importance of real-life experiences.
We spend hours scrolling through social media, watching videos, and texting friends, but all this time spent online can take a toll on our mental and emotional well being.
That's why it's important to disconnect, to reconnect. Setting boundaries and prioritizing offline activities can help us achieve a healthy balance between virtual and real life.
Start by setting boundaries for yourself. Limit the amount of time spent on social media or watching TV, and prioritize offline activities that bring you joy and fulfillment.
Make time for human interaction and face to face communication. Use technology as a tool for growth, not a replacement for human interaction.
Use technology to enhance your offline experiences. Learn new skills, take up a hobby, or explore new places.
Disconnecting from technology can help us appreciate the beauty of the world around us and live in the present moment.
Take time to reflect and recharge. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help us stay grounded and present in our daily lives.
Remember, disconnect to reconnect. Set boundaries, prioritize offline activities, and use technology as a tool for growth. Live a balanced, fulfilling life both online and offline.